Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm showing you how to do this Ariana Grande inspired prom hair and makeup look. Here are my reference images for the makeup inspiration. Firstly, you need to start with straightened hair and brush out any knots. If your hair isn't already, split it down the middle and section off about a 1 to 2 inch thick section of each side of your hair at the front. To create that extremely long ponytail appearance, you can add extensions to your hair. However, if you do not have extensions like me, section up half your hair from your temples and tie a very high ponytail at the highest point of your head. Unsection the front piece of hair that you sectioned off and brush it through to smooth it out. Tuck this behind your ear and this gives the illusion of a faux side fringe. Pull the rest of your hair to the front and this creates the illusion of a very long ponytail. You can gel or spray your baby hairs down to create a sleek appearance, but that is optional. To start the makeup, brush through your brows with a clear brow gel. Then using a brow pomade, fill in the desired shape of your brows. Even out the product by brushing through the brows with a spoolie and then apply a tinted brow gel to the tail ends of your brows for a fuller appearance. Carve out the top side of your brows by applying a small amount of concealer to the centre of your brows and then using a flat brush to bring the product around the edges of the brow hairs to remove any excess product and create a defined shape. Blend that out using a damp beauty sponge. Apply concealer to your lid as an eyeshadow base and using the same flat brush, carve out the underneath side of your eyebrows and blend that out using that damp beauty sponge. The palette that I'm using today is the Beauty Bay Nude palette, which is perfect for prom season. Pack the shade Hazel just above your crease line and out toward your temple slightly. To start diffusing the edges of the shade Hazel, take the shade All or Nothing and blend this over the edge of Hazel. Set your brow bone with the shade Nothing Else. And then go back into Hazel and deepen the crease line further. Using the shade Grizzly, go right into the crease to enhance the shape that we are creating with the shades. Soften the edges of Grizzly with the shade Hazel by doing circular motions with your brush. Take some concealer onto the back of your hand and using a flat brush, pick up some of that concealer and look straight into a mirror. Stamp the concealer down right above your crease line to begin the cut crease. Flick the shape of the concealer out slightly in the outer corner of the eye and then fill in the cut crease with the product left on the brush. Pack the shade All or Nothing over the concealer to set the cut crease. Define the depth of the crease once again by going back in with the shade Hazel. Clean up any fallout with a makeup wipe and neaten the edge of the eyeshadow look. You can use this edge later on as a guide for your eyeliner. Take a black gel liner on a thin detailing brush and apply thin wing liner that stops just at the edge of the cut crease. Next, add an additional pop of sparkle to the look by using the Beauty Bay Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow in Moonstone on another small detailing brush. Apply this directly where the cut crease meets the shadows. Use a champagne toned highlighter to highlight your brow bone. Curl your lashes and then apply a generous coating of mascara to your top lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are the Doll Beauty Esmerelda lashes, however you can use any full and fluffy lashes you have available. One eye is now done and I'm just going to go off camera and do the other. And now onto the base. Prep your skin with your skincare routine and apply an even layer of foundation to your face. And then blend this out using a damp beauty sponge. To enhance your natural features, go in with the cream contour on your nose, cheeks and forehead and blend out using the damp beauty sponge. For areas that need brightening and a little extra coverage, apply concealer, one shade lighter than your natural skin tone and blend out using your damp sponge. Set your face with your favourite setting powder. Less is more to avoid creasing and dryness. Then add some warmth to your face using a bronzer on a large fluffy brush. Apply this to your cheekbones, forehead and nose. Use your favourite shimmery blush to add some life into the base. Apply blush to your cheeks, forehead, nose and chin to give a sun-kissed appearance. Take that same champagne highlighter from earlier and highlight the high points of your face to finish the base. To complete the eyes, you need to apply the shade All or Nothing to your lower lash line. And then apply a generous coat of mascara to your bottom lashes. finish the look, line your lips with a warm toned nude lip liner and then apply a similar coloured lipstick to the centre of your lips and tap it out for a long lasting finish. And that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this Ariana Grande inspired prom hair and makeup tutorial. Let me know if you did by liking the video, as it helps me out a lot. Comment down below if you're going to wear this look to prom or a graduation, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already to never miss any makeup and beauty related content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.